Hello friends, so today I will show you how to make a free site. So open your Play Store, type in the search box Weebly, create a free website. You can see first option, you have to tap on that. You will see this type of interface. You have to download this app. This app is around 38 MB and this is very good app for free site making. I have already downloaded, so I open this. After opening this, you will see this type of interface. Choose which type of website you are going to make. I choose personal. After opening personal websites, you will see these types of themes. You can choose any type of theme. I want to choose venue 2 theme. Then tap on venue 2 and select creating site. You have to wait. My net speed is slow, so I skip the video. After opening, you can see this interface opens. So you have simply click to get start editing your website. You can see this the site is open. It's a theme of venue 2. Now what you have to do, just click on new site, tap for hold it, and you can see use logo and edit. Two options are there. I want to edit this, or you can use logo and tap your logo here. I type, as my channel name is Aditya's Throne, so I type the Aditya's Throne, and on the name of this I type anything. You can type like this, and you want to make your photo be visible on this site, then you can tap on the build. You can see title, you can upload text, images, gallery, slideshow, map, divider, spacer, button, search box. Even you can set up here HD videos, audio. YouTube means your YouTube promotion you can do here, your files, your blog quotes, social icons, items and category grid. You can all do this with the single application. I want to add text in this, so I hold on the text button and scroll it on here. Now double tap to edit, so I tap and edit. Whatever you want to dial, you can dial and press OK. So here it came. You have too many pages and you can make or more pages. This is home page. You can go to discover page. This is discover page, and many pages are there. When your site is finished, then you have to press on the preview and publish. At domain name means what you want to make your name in the site. I type the Aditya's Throne. So this site is available. Then I press on the next button, and this is showing loading, and so this site has been made, and press done. This site is being published.